Well, Alex-Murdaugh is back in jail in South Carolina facing 2 new charges. Now, we've been reading these arrest warrants since we got them over the weekend. They go into detail, a lengthy detail, on what happened to this whole scheme, how it all went down, and all at the expense of a grieving family. The scheme that investigators say they uncovered involves millions of dollars, a fake company, and another lawyer who was close to the friends of Murdaugh. And we've been reading again through these, and it was the Satterfield son's own attorney who uncovered all of this that led to this sled investigation. Authorities in Orlando, Florida took Murdaugh into custody and charged him with 2 counts of obtaining property by false pretenses. Those charges made by SLED here in South Carolina. Murdaugh was in Florida at a second drug rehabilitation center for his opioid addiction. He had transferred from a short-term one in Atlanta to Florida, and he was brought back to Richland County around midnight on Saturday. Now, this all started in 2018 when Gloria Satterfield tripped over the Murdaugh's dogs at their home in the Low Country. She fell down the stairs. She was taken to the hospital where she later had a stroke and died. The records and Murdaugh's own attorneys and the Satterfield son's attorneys say that he worked with the sons. He told them at the funeral he would work with them to get an insurance settlement on a wrongful death lawsuit. He connected them with a lawyer we've since learned was a good friend of his. But once that settlement was reached, the Satterfield sons never got any of that money. It was diverted to a dummy account down in Atlanta. Investigators say it was named Forge, which is a name of a company that handles settlements like these. But this account was created by and owned by Alex-Murdaugh, and as a result, he cashed those checks. The Satterfields never knew a settlement was reached until last year in a newspaper article, and they never got the millions they were supposed to.
There's nothing in the world that will justify what he did, honestly, and I'm not going to justify what he did. And he's not trying to justify what he did.
And that is one of 2 attorneys that are representing Alex-Murdaugh. We also reached out to Eric Bland, the Satterfield son's attorneys, for a comment. In a statement, he wrote, "It is not over. A very good start to holding everyone accountable who either participated knowingly or breached their duties. The bottom line is no one is above the law." Now, Corey Fleming is the other lawyer mentioned in the suit that Murdaugh connected with the family. We have learned his license has been suspended by the South Carolina Supreme Court. His law firm has also dropped him from their name. Since these revelations, we should mention Alex-Murdaugh has a bond hearing at 10 a.m. in Columbia tomorrow and will be there.